Hi everyone, this is the portfolio website we are going to create today. It is clean, professional and totally free using Canva. And the best part, you don't need any coding or paid tools. Hi, I'm Swati, a freelance graphic designer. Today I'm going to help you create your very own online portfolio website, even you have never done anything like this before. I still remember when I started, I had designs to show, but no place to put it all together. I searched for portfolio ideas and felt so lost. Everything looked too technical or too expensive. If you're feeling the same, this video is for you. Because a portfolio isn't just a website, it is your digital home. It tells the world who you are, what you do, and why someone should choose you. Open Canva. In the search bar, type website. Canva will show you a bunch of templates, but we will create ours from scratch. So let's select create a blank website. Now rename this website. Press R on your keyboard. It adds a rectangle. We will use this rectangle to make our header. Place it on the top, resize it. Now press T on the keyboard. Write home. Now duplicate this text and write about. Again duplicate it and write my work. Place them in the middle of the header. Now again press R on your keyboard. This time we will use this rectangle to create a button. Resize it, change its color and write let's connect. Place it on the top right corner of your website. Now again press T. Write your name or you can use your logo instead if you have it. Now go to Elements and search for any design you like. I am using a circular design. We will place our profile image on the top of it. In the left side, we will write text about this. Like hi, who you are, what you do, and what is your proficiency. We are keeping the design in grey for now. This helps us focus on the structure and content first. We will choose the final colors later. Let's create a new page for About section. Here talk about your skills, background, and what makes your work special. Keep it short, friendly, and honest. Now add a section called My Work. Here you can upload images of your past projects, logos, posters, website, or anything you have made before. Write 1-2 lines under each image to explain what it was. Now add another section to show your skills. Here you can write what are the tools you know, how much experience you have, and other things. Now let's make a contact page. In this page, I am making a small CTA. You can also write a message like let's work together or whatever you like. Now we will create a footer. Press R again to create a footer. Make a small rectangle at the bottom of the page. Add your logo or name, your email ID, and other important things that a footer has. Now it's time to add color to this website. Click on Design, go to Styles and go to Color Palette. Choose from Canva's ready-made color palettes. Now you can test a few to see which one matches your personality. If you're happy with the color, click on Preview to see how your website looks. If you're happy with it, click on Publish Website and choose Free Domain. This is the website we created together. This is fully made in Canva and completely free. So you don't need to wait to get started. Start with what you have, learn as you go, and grow from there. In the next part, I'll show you how to link buttons, connect a contact form, and make your website more powerful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.